What's keeping you from living your best life? Are you lacking the energy to do the things you want to do? Are you not getting the quality of sleep you need? Does your mood fluctuate from day to day? Are you holding on to extra pounds you wish you didn't have? Do you experience regular brain fog? Are you consumed by stress? There's something these things have in common. They're linked to aging. What if you could reverse the clock on your aging? Can you imagine what it would feel like to have the mental clarity and energy like when you were in your 20s? What about increasing your health span? Okay, you might be thinking, what the heck is a health span? And that is a great question. Thanks to medical technology, humans are living longer. Are people living these longer years actually feeling good in their body and in their minds? The truth is, no. And it all comes down to our metabolic health. Our metabolic health is responsible for many things inside of our body. And when our metabolic health isn't good, we start to experience things like extra weight, especially around our belly, an increase in inflammation and joint issues, a decrease in our energy, cholesterol issues, blood sugar issues, brain fog. We develop sleep issues. Our skin starts to age, and potentially, we might even get more irritable. Our metabolic health is directly linked to our biological age. You know how when you go to a class reunion, how some people have aged more than others? This is an example of biological aging. Our biological age is our body's age and has nothing to do with how many trips around the sun we've had. One of the ways that we can increase our biological age is by spiking our blood sugars. Every time our glucose levels spike, we age. And what happens when we eat? They spike. According to a study from Harvard in 2018, 93.2% of Americans do not have healthy metabolic health. We are in the throes of a health crisis. Is it possible to reverse this? Can we start to have more energy and less brain fog? Can our bodies finally lose that extra weight that it clings to? Can the wrinkles on our face actually start to diminish and our skin have a healthier glow and tone? Can we live our whole life feeling more youthful? Scientists and emerging studies are saying yes. So, how do we do that? We start by being more mindful of what we're putting into our bodies, by finding ways to manage our daily stress, by getting good sleep, by moving our bodies daily, by having healthy relationships, and smart supplementation, which is where MetaPWR comes into play. MetaPWR is a metabolic health line unlike anything you have ever seen. It starts with the MetaPWR Essential Oil, which is a blend of cinnamon, peppermint, lemon, grapefruit, and ginger that is synergistically blended together to curb cravings, stop the maturing of fat cells, and support your metabolic health. It comes in 4 different product options. The oil, to be able to drop a few drops in the water you drink throughout your day. Beetlets, to give you a little burst of MetaPWR oil in your mouth. Gum that you can chew that helps keep cravings away. And soft gels, if you want to take the MetaPWR oil in a pill. Remember how I said that every time our glucose levels spike, we age? I want to introduce you to MetaPWR Assist. This not only has the MetaPWR oil inside of it, but it also has more cinnamon, mulberry, and berberine. And what this does is stabilizes your glucose levels. You'll want to take it 1 time a day with your heaviest meal. It will not only decrease that post-meal spike, but also helps you to keep your blood sugars balanced and helps you to have sustainable energy throughout the day. There are 2 things that are crucial for metabolic function, and both begin to decrease at the age of 25. The first is collagen. Collagen gives your skin its elasticity and firmness, and it also supports lean muscle and connective tissues, which are the ligaments in your knee, for example. They are composed of collagen. They allow your knee to flex, bend, and absorb shock. The second is NAD+, which is crucial. Without sufficient NAD+ levels in the body, your cells can't generate the energy needed to survive and carry out their functions. Basically, without NAD+, we'd be on the fast track to death. Preclinical studies suggest supplementing with NMN may increase NAD+, which helps your cells and body systems to function more youthfully. The problem with the NMN supplements on the market is they are synthetic. And what people can experience with these synthetic forms is exhaustion and brain fog because of the high amounts needed from the synthetic form. The third step in the MetaPWR system combines the power of marine collagen, almost impossible to find natural form of NMN, and 10 other ingredients to target optimal cell functioning and health span. This product can replace vital collagen and support natural production of NAD plus in your body, helping you slow the signs of aging from the inside out. The result is slower biological aging, firmer, more elastic skin, improved cognitive function, more lean muscle and connective tissue, and more. MetaPWR Advantage is a game-changing powdered supplement you simply mix with water to activate the ingredients. This is not just a collagen product. It is much more than that, with 12 active ingredients synergistically combined together to reverse aging. Nothing out there even compares to it. doTERRA sources collagen from sustainably harvested cold water marine fish in locations like Italy. Other collagen products on the market, whether from land or marine sources, typically contain only 15 to 35% of tripeptides. This means that your body is not digesting and absorbing the collagen, which doesn't bring the benefit you're needing for your body. MetaPWR Advantage collagen is over 70% tripeptides, giving you the absorption you need. A lot of what you've read about the best collagen available is just good marketing. doTERRA doesn't spend loads of money on marketing. They spend their energy sourcing the best, purest ingredients available, as well as the best science to effectively deliver those ingredients to your cells. So let me give you the highlights for why the collagen in MetaPWR Advantage is superior to anything else you may have tried. First, it's 12 times more absorbable than other collagen products. When a supplement or nutrient is easily absorbed and used by your body, it's considered bioavailable. The number of grams you read on the label isn't what determines how much collagen your cells will receive after taking it. Bioavailability factors in. Second, most collagen replacing products only feature one or two collagen types. MetaPWR Advantage contains 9 unique collagen types. Most collagens that feature the one or two collagen types are most relevant to skin beauty, elasticity, and wrinkles. MetaPWR Advantage features those types of collagen, but it also includes 7 other unique collagen peptide types that target specific functions in our body. So you get all the beauty benefits and can recover faster from workouts, feel more flexibility in your joints, and have more mental clarity no matter your age. Most pre-packaged liquid collagens use a process to sterilize their water-based delivery system. Doing so eliminates the beneficial active ingredients, like vitamins. MetaPWR Advantage is delivered to you in a powder format. Simply mix it with water immediately before you drink it, so your body can easily absorb the nutrients without the sugar content that accompanies a pre-packaged juice format, like so many other collagens. MetaPWR Advantage is free of any sugar, artificial sweeteners and flavors, glyphosate, GMOs, gluten, preservatives, pesticides, shellfish, dairy, nuts, and soy. Are you ready to experience more energy, more mental clarity, less extra weight, better sleep, more youthful skin, and so much more? All 6 MetaPWR products are available in a kit at the price of $179. With just the MetaPWR Advantage alone, if you were to purchase the ingredients inside of it, you'd be paying over $300. Your kit will come with not only the entire MetaPWR system, but if you don't have a wholesale membership with doTERRA, it waives the $35 wholesale fee and gives you one for free. This means you can reorder at wholesale pricing when you want, and no minimum or monthly orders are ever required. Your next step is to connect with who sent you to this video so they can help you to start to reverse your aging from the inside out and help you to feel more youthful in this one body and this one life you have.